Zapier, Make, or n8n. If you search Best Automation Tool, every article gives you a different answer, and half of them are paid to say it. So in this video, I'll give you the answer in 60 seconds. Then I'll show you the one concept that decides everything, what each tool actually costs, and exactly which one fits you. No sponsorships. Let's go. Here's the 60-second answer. Zapier is the easiest. If you've never automated anything and you just want it working by lunch, that's Zapier. Make is the budget pick. Similar idea, much cheaper, a bit more to learn. And n8n is the powerhouse. Cheapest at scale, the strongest AI features, and the only one you can run on your own server for free, but it asks the most from you. That's the whole answer. But if you stop here, you'll pick the wrong tool for the wrong reason. Because the real difference isn't features. It's how they charge you. Every one of these tools has a pricing page with a friendly monthly number on it. That number is close to meaningless, because all three count your usage in completely different units. Once you understand this part, every pricing page on the internet becomes readable. So let's do it properly. Zapier counts tasks. A task is one action step inside your automation. Remember the dominoes from our last video? Say your workflow has 5 dominoes: read a form, add a row, send an email, update a spreadsheet, ping your phone. Every time that workflow runs, Zapier counts 5 tasks. 5 dominoes, 5 tasks, every single run. Make counts credits, same basic idea. One module doing one thing costs 1 credit. Trigger included. So the same 5 domino workflow costs about 5 to 6 credits per run. The difference is the price per unit. Make's credits are dramatically cheaper than Zapier's tasks. And n8n counts executions. One execution is the whole workflow running once, whether it has 2 dominoes or 50. 2 steps? 1 execution. 50 steps? 1 execution. This is why n8n is structurally cheaper the moment your workflows do more than a couple of things. Let's make it real. A 10-step workflow, running 10,000 times a month. Numbers from their official pricing pages, July 2026. On Zapier, that's about 100,000 tasks. You're looking at $400 a month, maybe more. On Make, roughly 110,000 credits. Around 150. On n8n Cloud, 10,000 executions flat. About $55. And n8n self-hosted? Just your server. $15, give or take. Same work. Same result. 6 to 10 times the price difference. If n8n is that much cheaper, why isn't everyone using it? Because price is only half the story. The other half is how much each tool asks from you. Zapier, most people build their first automation in 15 minutes. It's the friendliest software in this entire category. Make, give yourself a day or two. The visual canvas is powerful, but it has a learning curve. n8n, the steepest of the three. Not because it's badly designed, because it exposes real power. If you understood the Lego analogy from our first video, you already have the mindset. But expect evenings, not minutes. What about the apps they connect to? Zapier wins on paper, big, over 8,000 apps. If you use some obscure tool for your dental practice, Zapier probably has it. Make, over 2,000. Covers almost everything mainstream. n8n, about 400 native nodes, but here's the part most reviews miss. n8n has an HTTP node that can talk to basically any app with an API, plus a code node when you need it. So the real ceiling isn't 400. It's everything. You just have to be willing to spend 10 extra minutes wiring it up. And in 2026, the question everyone actually asks, which one is best for AI? Honest answer, n8n, and it's not close right now. The n8n 2.0 release added over 70 dedicated AI nodes, persistent agent memory, and multi-agent orchestration. It's the only one of the 3 built to run serious AI agents, and the only one that can run against a model on your own machine. Make includes AI features on every plan, even free. That's genuinely generous. Zapier's AI agents exist, but they're a separate product with a separate bill. So which one is you? Be honest about which of these 3 people you are. Person 1, I am not technical, I will never be technical, and I need it working today. That's Zapier. Yes, it costs more. You're paying for zero friction, and for you that's the right trade. Person 2, I'm careful with money, my workflows are simple, and I can spend a weekend learning. That's Make. 80% of the power at a fraction of the price. Person 3, I want AI agents, I want control, I might run it on my own server, and I don't want a bill that punishes me for growing. That's n8n. And if you're watching this channel, here's my actual recommendation, start with n8n. Not because it's the easiest, it isn't, but because everything we build here, from AI agents to self-hosting, lives on n8n. The learning curve is a one-time cost. The pricing advantage is forever. Use the free trial of n8n Cloud, or self-host it for free. Links are in the description. 60-second recap. Zapier charges per action step. Make charges per module, much cheaper. n8n charges per run, flat, no matter how many steps. Zapier is easiest. Make is best value for simple workflows. n8n is the cheapest at scale and the king of AI right now. Pick the tool that matches who you are, not the one with the prettiest pricing page. Next week, we stop talking theory. I'm building your first real n8n workflow, click by click, a form, a spreadsheet, a welcome email, running live by the end of the video. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching Plain Automation. See you in the next one.